Hey guys, these are the best sub $300 true wireless earphones that I've tried, at least if you also use an iPhone. Let me tell you why. In the box you get your instruction manual, which no one ever looks at, so we'll set that aside. Underneath is the charging case with the AirPods installed inside, but once you take those off the box, you can take off the cover again to find a secret compartment that has 3 sets of earbud tips and your Lightning to USB Type-C cable to charge your AirPods and the AirPod charging case. Once we've unboxed the AirPods, connecting to an iPhone is a breeze. You simply take the AirPods next to your phone and you open up the AirPods and you unlock your phone. And your phone should automatically connect to the AirPods. Easy. And here's the best part. If you also have an iPad or a Mac where you're using the same Apple ID as your phone or whatever device you connected with, these AirPods will also automatically connect to those devices. So you can get audio from multiple devices to the same AirPods. If you're ingrained in the Apple ecosystem and you use multiple Apple devices, this is a great feature. Once you're connected, you can listen to the AirPods in 3 different modes. The active noise cancelling mode lets you muffle out sound from the outside world. It works very well to muffle out background noise like the hum of a bus, car, or a plane, but it still lets vocal frequencies through, which means that you can still somewhat have a conversation with someone with these on. Or at the very least, if they call out to you, you'll know. The other mode is transparency mode, and it's kind of the opposite of active noise cancelling. Instead of blocking out the external world from you, the microphones listen in on what's happening outside and it channels that audio into your headphones, so you can keep track of external noises. This is fairly useful if you're in a crowded environment or a busy street and you want to keep track of whatever bikes and cars are coming through so that you don't run into them. And the third and final mode is with both of those features turned off. You can get some organic noise coming in from the outside world without it being amplified by the transparency mode. This mode works relatively well if you're able to get a good seal between the EarPod and your ear, which isn't hard given that Apple gives you 3 different ear tip sizes inside the box. My biggest inhibition with Bluetooth headphones is that they end up usually having lower audio quality than if you were to use them wired. But with the Apple Airpods Pro, that's not really the case, and considering that this is a sub $300 earphones, while also having active noise cancelling and a very small size, the sound quality you can get out of these is really good. You're getting a good amount of bass, not an overwhelming amount, and it does miss the mark a little on those explosive, punchy, really low frequency sounds, but it's definitely better than some of the other earphones that you can get at this price point with similar sets of features. You have really clear mids and highs, which means that when you have a lot of instruments playing in whatever music you're listening to, you'll be able to distinguish the different instruments that are being played with relative ease. It might not be the clearest headphones out there, but it's definitely good enough, and for the price point, Apple really didn't sacrifice the audio quality when designing the AirPods Pro. The microphone quality coming out of these AirPods Pros is also not bad. Right now, you're hearing audio from the AirPods Pros directly, and compared to what you've been hearing up until now, I would say these sound pretty good. The noise isolation is well done for earphones like this with microphones so far away from your face, and the overall audio quality isn't that bad either. It can pick up your voice fairly easily, and if you're taking phone calls from your phone with the AirPods Pros in your ear, you'll be fine even if you're in crowded environments. Also, you can still use it with only one ear in the AirPod itself. So if you want to use this more like a Bluetooth headset for your calls, you can do that too. You'll get about 4.5 hours of battery life from the AirPods Pro itself, and you can extend that up to 24 hours with the charging case. Unlike the AirPods Pros come with the wireless charging case included in the price. This means that whatever you're using to charge your iPhone, you can also use it to charge your AirPods Pro case. And if you have a lightning cable, you can just plug it into here and it'll charge much quicker. At around $250 US and about $330 Canadian, these earphones aren't the cheapest or the most budget-friendly ones out there, but at the price point, they're fairly competitive against their competitors. Sony, Sennheiser, they all have products around this price range out. Those work really well for all kinds of devices, but if you're an Apple user and you're in the Apple ecosystem, the AirPods Pros have certain features that just make it a lot better for you. And honestly, with all of these features that are built into the AirPods Pro, it's not even a bad deal at the price point that it's being sold at. And sometimes it even goes on sale on Amazon for up to $50 cheaper. I'll have my affiliate link in the description below, so make sure to check out the up-to-date pricing before you buy. So do I think you should go out and get the AirPods Pro? If you're looking for good wireless audio on the go and you use a lot of Apple products, then the AirPods Pros make sense. There are equivalent or even slightly better alternatives if you're not an Apple user though. So if you're not using an iPhone or an iPad or a Mac, then I would suggest you stay away and go look for one of the alternatives, because then you're kind of overpaying for some of the features in these AirPods Pros that you're not really going to use. Comment down below what your favorite set of wireless earbuds are, and maybe I'll take a look. Make sure to drop a like on the video while you're down there too. That's been my review of the Apple AirPods Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.